There was many traditional medicinal uses for the European ash. The leaves are astringent, cathartic, diaphoretic, mildly diuretic, laxative and purgative. They were used as a laxative as a substitute for cenopods. The bark is antiperiodic, astringent and a bitter tonic. It was occasionally taken for fevers. The seeds, including their wigs, were also used as a carminative. The distilled leaves in water were taken every morning, and this was considered good for dropsy and obesity. A decoction of the leaves in white wine had the reputation of dissolving stones and curing jaundice. The leaves should be gathered in June. They should be dried, powdered, and kept in corked bottles. The leaves, the barks, and the young twigs contain coumarins, and these inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. Ash is beneficial as a treatment for healing wounds and sores and to reduce swelling. The bark is used as a fever-reducing agent and as a substitute for quinine, which is derived from the quinine tree. The bark and the leaves have been used traditionally as a herbal remedy for diarrhea. The substance fraxin is found in the bark and the leaves, and this has diuretic properties, and it can increase the excretion of uric acid. The bark helps to treat gout in the elderly, and it can also be beneficial for other rheumatic disorders like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Ailments associated with the bladder and the kidney are also treated with the bark. Additionally, it was used to remove stones in the urinary tract. The bark and the leaves of the ash tree can act as a mild laxative due to the presence of mannitol, and can therefore be used as a herbal remedy for constipation and also to eliminate internal parasites. The seeds of the ash were used to bring down a fever as well as to augment the appetite. A tincture prepared from the leaves was used to augment sexual desire and libido in men. A decoction of the leaves in white wine had the reputation of dissolving stones and curing jaundice. In Ayurvedic medicine, it was used to treat urinary tract infections, leprosy, and anuria. The immature seeds were usually pickled by steeping them in salt and vinegar, and then these were used as a condiment for other foods. The leaves are sometimes used as an adulterant for tea. The edible oil, similar to sunflower oil, is obtained from the seed. Herbalists sometimes recommend the following doses: an infusion from 1 or 2 teaspoons of the ground leaves to a cup of water, steeped for 2 to 3 minutes and then strained. As a decoction, 1 teaspoon of the bark powder to a cup of water, boiled briefly, then steeped for 2 to 3 minutes. The leaves should be picked in the early summer when they're glazed by a thin mucous membrane, then dried and stored in an airtight container. The ash leaf is poisonous to ruminants like sheep. It can also cause dermatitis in some people. The excessive use can cause allergic reactions. The safety of using ash in children, pregnant women, and nursing mothers, as well as people suffering from kidney or liver ailments, has not yet been determined. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.